In a world that never sleeps, where the relentless hum of notifications and the endless scroll of digital feeds dictate our pace, a silent epidemic is taking hold. It's not a virus, but a state of being. High-functioning freeze. You're the one who always delivers, the one who never misses a deadline, the one who appears to have it all together. But beneath the surface, a different story unfolds. A story of exhaustion masked by ambition, of anxiety hidden behind a facade of control. You're constantly connected, yet profoundly alone. Overstimulated, yet underwhelmed. You're moving, but not forward. You're frozen. This isn't just burnout. It's a deeper, more insidious trap. It's the high-functioning freeze, where your body and mind are screaming for a pause. But your drive, your conditioning, your fear of falling behind keeps you locked in a cycle of perpetual motion without progress. You scroll endlessly, not for information, but for distraction. You numb yourself with noise because silence feels too loud. You crave connection, but push it away because true intimacy feels too vulnerable. This documentary is for you. It's a tough love letter, a wake-up call, and a roadmap out of the freeze. We're going to challenge the narratives that keep you stuck, dismantle the habits that bind you, and equip you with the protocol, a framework for intentional living designed to break the cycle of high-functioning freeze. This isn't about quick fixes or toxic positivity. This is about radical honesty, disciplined action, and reclaiming your agency. The first step in the protocol is ghost mode. This isn't about disappearing, it's about strategic withdrawal. It's a period of intentional disconnection from external noise, social media, unnecessary commitments, even certain relationships, to reconnect with your inner compass. During ghost mode, you create space for deep work, introspection, and genuine rest. You're not avoiding life, you're preparing to live it more fully. The second pillar is move in silence. This is about channeling your energy into tangible progress without the need for external validation. It's about the quiet grind, the consistent effort, the small victories that accumulate into monumental shifts. You don't announce your plans, you execute them. You don't seek applause, you seek results. The final component of the protocol is rebirth through ritual. This is about establishing non-negotiable daily practices that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Whether it's a morning walk, journaling, meditation, or a creative pursuit, these rituals are your anchors, pulling you back to center amidst the chaos. They are not optional, they are essential. They are the deliberate acts of self-care that prevent the freeze from taking hold again. Breaking free from high-functioning freeze isn't easy. It requires courage, discipline, and a willingness to confront uncomfortable truths. But the alternative is a life half-lived, a potential unfulfilled, a spirit slowly eroding. Choose to thaw. Choose to move. Choose to live intentionally.